Hey guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial will show you how to design Facebook posts on Canva. Are you looking to spruce up your Facebook posts using Canva? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so again, if you're on mobile, open your Canva app on your mobile device. If you are on PC, Mac, or a laptop, open the browser you're choosing, whether it's Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or Safari or Internet Explorer. And as you can see here, we are in a Canva homepage, canva.com, login, so you could use it. And yeah, excuse me. So you want to create Facebook posts, better Facebook posts for maybe you're an influencer, maybe you're a content creator, maybe you're a business that's want to improve your online presence of your brand. And Canva is an amazing website where you could do it for free, or you can try Canva Pro so you could access their more premium content. But for now, we're going to use free. So even here on the homepage, you can already see one that is Facebook post landscape, right? And then Facebook video, right? So if you scroll down, is there any? No, okay. So here on the home screen, there are already two posts you can use for your Facebook page or account. Facebook post, Facebook video. So posts, these are static. I would assume static content that you can use to create content for your Facebook brand. Facebook video is very self-explanatory. It's kind of like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, but for Facebook video, right? So what we need to do is type on Facebook so that we can find the most escape for the Facebook account, Facebook content we can use. Facebook ad, Facebook cover, right? Valentine's Day Facebook, how about Facebook posts, right? Let's click on that. It says Facebook post templates. So these are most of these are paid, but there are free ones. So let's click on this one. Pop-up will appear if you click on it. It says Super Sale Modern Furniture. So this is for a furniture store, right? They have a furniture store that has a Facebook page and they want to promote an upcoming sale. And as you can see here, Super Sale, some of their products that are photographed professionally, and Modern Furniture is the name of the furniture store and their website and then their contact number. So let's go with this, right, for now. So what we want to do is, for example, we are Modern Furniture and we don't like this, right? We don't like the color, we don't like everything. So click on customize this template and this will open a new tab like so, right? And as you can see, all the elements, if you hover your cursor, your mouse, everything can be customizable from the font to the shapes, the elements, right? As you can see, these are the elements. You move it, you can move it, but let's not move it. And the color of the palette, right? So if you want to edit it, let's say Super Sale, right? Super Sale Modern Furniture. How about let's put in, let's make it a more generic, like Alice's Furniture Store, right? It's too big. Let's make it smaller so it would fit. Let's adjust it a bit more. There you go. Adjust it like so. Let's make it a bit more smaller. Let's make it 35. There you go. This is Alice's Furniture Store. Put in an email. AliceFurniture.com. And then the number, let's just retain it. And then let's change the color. I think you can change the color. Yeah, you can change the color of the elements. Let's make this let's make it more vibrant. Let's use kind of salmony, right? Let's use it like this. There you go. And then let's make the color what color do we need? Maybe this. There we go. Right? And then let's change the font, right? The font color. Maybe since it's blue, maybe dark blue or navy blue. There we go. Same here. And then should we change? No, this is a good font. So let's change the color too. Maybe let's make it like yellow. So it's more captivating. Let's use a more bright yellow. There we go. There you go. That's perfect. Let's change the font on this one. And let's use yellow again. Right? And then you could change the photos. Let's look for elements, right? Let's search for furniture. Right? So maybe let's remove this one, this little one. Let's click see all the photos. Maybe we can use this one and then make it small and put it here, make it a bit more smaller again. And then you could just make this a bit bigger, put it down. Pretty much, you get the point. So you could fit it, and maybe this, yeah. And then, oh, we forgot to change this. Let's make this white. I think this is better white, right? And we can add not just effects. Yeah, there we go. Let's add maybe this one, this effect. There you go. Or this one. Right. Actually, no, the color is not good. White is not good. Let's make it lime. Oh, not really. Okay. Okay, it's not a good effect. Let's just use this one. Let's make it white. Offset. And then make it white. There we go. Make the number white as well. And there you go. We have made a Facebook post for Alice's Furniture Store super sale, right? And you could use ChatGPT to create a copy for the accompanying text for this, and just upload it on your Facebook account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. This is how we make a Facebook post for your Facebook page. And hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.